Hey guys, this is Mr. H. This is question 24 from the August 2025 Algebra 1 Regents exam. Last one from the multiple choice section. And then I'm going to take a break. I think I'll finish this another day. I'm kind of getting a little tired, but basically this is just a conversion of units from one set of units to another set of units. So it said in 2009, Usain Bolt, a sprinter from Jamaica, set the world record in the 100-meter dash with a time of 9.58 seconds. His approximate speed in kilometers per hour. So this is what we're trying to convert to. Kilometers per hour can be found using which conversion? Now, some students get confused and start looking at the numbers. The numbers do not matter. In fact, it would be better if we just blotted them all out. What really matters are the units. And what you're looking for when you get done, there should be a km on the top and an HR on the bottom. If you don't see this, then it's not right, because that's what we're trying to convert to. Now, the rule is if you see a unit on the top and the bottom, you can divide or you can cancel them out. So, for instance, we can cancel out a seconds here and a seconds here, because there's one in the numerator, there's one in the denominator. We can cancel out a meters here and a meters here, because there's one on the top and the bottom. What else can we cancel out? We can cancel out a minute here, and we can cancel out a minute here. Now, look what we're left with. We're left with hours on the top and kilometers on the bottom. Now, this is close, but it's not what we're looking for. We want kilometers per hour, not hours per kilometer, right? So that's why this one, even though it is close, it's not the right answer. Now let's go and see if we can find one that actually has what we need. All right, so look, we can get seconds, we can get minutes, and then that's about it. So we're left with meters here and meters here. So that's really going to be meters squared. And then we have kilometers, hours. So that's going to be kilometers times hours. That's not what we want. So cross that one out. So the next one, we got meters on the top, we got meters on the bottom. We got seconds on the bottom and seconds on the bottom. So we're going to have seconds squared. We know that's not what we're looking for. We're looking for hours. So it's got to be the last one, but let's double check it. So let's see. We have seconds on the bottom. We have seconds on the top. We have minutes on the bottom, and over here we have minutes on the top. We have meters on the top, and then we have meters over here on the bottom. Look what we're left with. We're left with kilometers. We don't care about the numbers, just the units, and hours on the bottom. This is our answer. And that's how you do it. If you see something like this, if you see seconds on the bottom and then you see another seconds on the bottom, get rid of that. It should be one unit. Usually it's going to be one unit on the bottom and one unit on the top. You don't want seconds times seconds. You don't want kilometers times kilometers. You don't want kilometers times minutes. You want kilometers on the top and hours on the bottom. So if it doesn't simplify to kilometers on the top, hours on the bottom, you don't select it. Now, I think these questions, once you understand that you are just looking for canceling out units, I think these are really easy questions. Just don't pay attention to the numbers. I think some students get overwhelmed with all the numbers. Forget the numbers, focus on the units. All right, that's it, guys. Calculator doesn't help. Although there is a feature that will do most of this calculation and convert it, I don't think it's worth it. All right, I'm going to stop and post.